Please proceed, page number 1. Fighting for finals, U19, Barracudas versus La Purísima 8. Please proceed. Page 1, Barracudas versus La Purísima 8. Paging Sir Basti. At saka yung mga U16 leaders, please ako baba na kayo kasi maka-award din tayo. U16 leaders, please ako baba na. Maka-award din na tayo. Please, U16. Coach Basti, please yo. Please yo, unumay ang yabaw. Please po. Page number 2, please proceed. Masters, RXU FCB versus Aliyah. Please proceed. Page number 2, RDMZU FCB and Aliyah. Masters Division. Thank you. Page number 4, please prepare. Page number 4, please prepare. Virgin Aqua Farm versus Air Force B. Virgin Aqua Farm versus Air Force B.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to all our winners, please prepare because we will begin our awarding ceremony. And it will begin with under 16. Beginning with our second runner-up. Second runner-up, congratulations to BUFC Bayona. Congratulations to our second runner-up from BUFC.
To award our second runner-up, we have the past president of Rotary is, and also coming from the City Tourism Office, Mr. Julius Marinay, together with Mr. Alawi Wong Abubakar. Otra vez, el Harabuena for the ating second runner-up or second placer, the BUFC. Palakpakan na natin ang BUFC all the way from Municipality of Bayon, Province of Zamboanga del Norte. Sir, Zamboanga del Sur. I stand to be corrected. Once again, congratulations, BUFC, our second placer for the 16 category.
Please proceed, pitch number 3, Milagrosa versus RTM Basilan. Milagrosa versus RTM Basilan. Pitch number 3, please proceed.
This time, we will be awarding our first runner-up under 16 category. Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up is, congratulations, Team Kuliana A.
Suicide Award, we have the past president of Rotary is, and also from City Tourism, Mr. Julius Marinay, together with Alawi Wong Abubakar, was again from the City Tourism. Also the past president of Rotary is Zamboanga. Once again, and round winner from Kuliana. Hey. And now, ladies and gentlemen, El Teatro Campeón for our 16th category is Strays.
Please yan mga players dyan sa pitchuan, please ako alis. Ang pwede lang dyan is Barracudas and La Purisima. Aliyah, may nakikita ako, may laro kayo? Yung mga hindi naglalaro, please ako. Ateneo, hindi na, yung mga players na ang pwede dyan. Yung non-players, please ako. Please ako. Alis. Magpapabigay ako ng yellow card. Ateneo, non-players.
Ayun, once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan muna natin ang ating winners for the under 16 category. Our second runner-up, BUFC, first runner-up, Kuliana A, and our champion goes to Team Milagrosa.
Please proceed, pitch